guys, I am Cyril Bonilla, grade 3, St. Jude. Welcome to our walking water science experiment. Materials needed: water, glass, and food coloring. First yellow, next red and blue. Next is paper towel. First we will need is water and pour it all in the glass. Next, we have to put the food coloring on the glass. First is red. This one's a little dark. Next, we will need blue and yellow. First, let's add blue. You have to throw it. Next we will put is yellow. Next we put some glasses in between. Next, we have to put paper towel. Now, we do this. So, we have to make more. Now, we have to put the paper towel in the cups. First, we will make in red. Next is yellow.
We need one more, I guess. This should not go too well. Pretty good. This one.
This needs a more towel. I need more towel.
So, next another blue with red.
And now we wait. It's been already 1 hour. Now the full water has transferred slowly to this empty glass. So red the color is orange, that means yellow plus red. And this one is green, that means yellow plus blue. And this one is purple, that means blue plus or red. It's been a fun science experiment. Until our next science experiment.